Have a passy. Dolly. She loves her little passy. Little passy girl. She's got it up there. Yep, that's a little passy. Dolly!
Send that video to Sonia.
She wouldn't let you take it out of your mouth. So let me try to take it out of your mouth. Ow! Yep, she's got her passy in her mouth. Are you a baby, Dolly? Now she's really like a baby, but she likes it on the side. Okay. There's no effects here. She really is sucking on a pacifier. Or a passy, or whatever you want to call it.
Why don't you give her yours?
No. This is going on YouTube. That'll be funny. Okay, that's enough for chewing on it. Fine.
She has the aqua detox.
Brother, I'm making a video. Oh, you're going to be my video.